it's me, Oishi. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this dress that I'm wearing right here. I've been seeing this style of dresses for a while now, so I thought I'd finally try and make my own. I hope you enjoy!
Why the only bliss I feel is from the things that aren't real. I want to know if
So for this dress, I decided to drape it first using muslin. I started by making these bust pieces with princess seam. For every piece that you see here, I marked it, added seam allowance, and then I cut it out and pinned it back to the dress form.
I wish, put it all on pause. Wait a minute till the storm comes down. I wish I could be happy from the little things I see, but I'm constantly reminded of the things I couldn't be.
For the ruched bust piece, I draped it over the first bust piece and made pleats like this. I'm going to end up gathering the pleats, which you will see later.
Everywhere I look, I'm surrounded by my faults. I wish could put it all on pause. Wait a minute till the storm comes down. And I know I've come a long way, and I'm better with myself, but there's still that nagging feeling I belong to someone else. I don't know if I'll be happy, but I'm better off alone. I know everything is simpler when I do it on my own. And I'm sorry if it hurts you that I'm pushing you away, but
For the sleeve, I decided to flat pattern it by taking this shoulder measurement and adding 5 inches, since I'm going to gather it with elastic. I honestly wish I added a little bit more so it'd be more poofier. So this is how the sleeve pattern looks. The curvy bits on the side are going to be sewn under the arm, so make sure they are the same length.
and wait a minute till the storm comes down.
Now I'm just going to cut everything out. I'm using this pretty fabric I found. I got about 3 yards, but I won't use the pink part of it. For the front bodice waist pattern piece, I cut it out where the fabric border is. Now I'm going to sew everything. I first did the back pleats, then the front princess seams, then I also sewed a long stitch all around the ruched bust piece, and I pulled the thread to gather that. One of the hardest parts was sewing at this point at the center of the chest right here. You might need to clip the fabric in the seam allowance. I'm doing the method that you see here because I wanted the insides to be clean finished as much as possible. Now I'm going to sew the sides and serge the raw edges. I decided to finish the neckline with grosgrain like so. For the sleeve elastic, I made them about an inch smaller than my shoulder and arm circumference measurement and sewed them with a zigzag stitch. For the skirt part, I took the remaining fabric I had and made 2 joint rectangles like this. They will both be gathered, but the bottom gather will be twice as wide. I also made this simple skirt lining with slits on the side. I sewed the lining and the skirt together at the waist and sewed that to the bodice. Lastly, for this video, I'm going to sew the zipper to the dress. Off camera, I did other things such as serge the raw edges and hem some of the bottoms. And I'm finally done with this dress. I actually kind of like how it came out. I definitely learned some new things which I will improve in my next dress. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my video. Bye!